stop. If you think you need editing skills to make videos, you're already behind. Because with Claude Code, you can generate full videos, motion graphics, voiceovers, everything, without doing any of it yourself. No design, no editing, no code. In the next few minutes, you'll see this in action. A full motion graphic built from a single prompt, animated, styled, ready to export. Then the same video, upgraded with a real voiceover, perfectly synced to the visuals. And finally, a complete YouTube intro, script, visuals, pacing, generated from scratch in just a few minutes. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is get Claude onto your desktop. Log into Claude on your browser and go to the download section by clicking the arrow on the bottom left. Download the version that matches your operating system. Once it's installed, open the app and log into your account. One important thing to address up front. Using Claude Code requires a minimum pro plan. This is not a free feature. If you're on the free tier, you won't have access to Claude Code. So make sure you're on at least the pro plan before moving forward. Once you're logged in, you'll see 3 options at the top of the app. There's Claude Chat, Claude Cowork, and Claude Code. We're going to be in Claude Code for this entire video. Now here's the part most people miss. You do not need to know how to code to use Claude Code. You're not writing anything. You're just describing what you want in plain language, and Claude handles everything else behind the scenes. One more thing before we install anything. In the chat box of Claude Code, you'll see an option to select your model. To use less credits, make sure Sonnet is selected. Opus is the most powerful model, but it burns through your credits quickly. Sonnet gives you excellent results while using significantly fewer credits. That's the smarter move for content production. Before creating any videos, you need to install Git, Node.js, and Remotion. This takes about 5 minutes, and you only do it once. To install Git, if you're on a Mac, open Spotlight by pressing Command and space, type terminal, and open it. Then type the command that starts with Xcode, which you'll see at the top of your Claude Code chat. If you are not seeing it, Git is already installed. Press Enter and click Agree. Git will install in a few minutes. If you're on Windows, search Git for Windows on Google, open the first result, download the installer, and follow the setup steps. To install Node.js, go to the Node.js website. You can type the link you see on the screen, or just search Node.js on Google. Download the version for your system, then install it by clicking through the Next buttons. It is available for both Windows and Mac. To install Remotion, go back to Claude Code and create a working folder first. In our case, I am creating a folder named Claude Video on my desktop. Then type Install Remotion. Press Enter and let Claude handle everything. It will run the installation automatically. You just need to wait and approve any permissions if asked. When it's finished, Claude will confirm that Remotion is ready. From then on, every time you ask Claude to create a video, it will know how to do it using Remotion. That's it. Setup is done. Now let's get into the actual creation. The first thing we're going to build is a standalone motion graphic. No voiceover, no images, just clean animated visuals. Here's the prompt I'm using. It's designed to show how money is made online, visualized as a horizontal timeline that animates from left to right. Each step appears one at a time, the dot, the title above it, the explanation below. The design uses a dark purple to deep blue gradient background, neon glow effects, pulsing circle markers, and subtle particle movement in the background. You can create a prompt like this. Just use your imagination and add as much detail as you like. I'll copy this prompt and paste it to Claude Code and click Submit. Claude starts working immediately. It writes the Remotion component, sets up the animation logic, configures the timing for each step, and applies all the design specs from the prompt. You just need to sit back, wait, and approve any permissions when prompted. When it's done, a preview opens automatically in your browser. And here's what it looks like. Clean, smooth, intentional. That entire sequence was generated from a single text prompt. Now let me show you how easy it is to make edits. Say you want to change the background color. I'm going to go back into Claude Code and type one simple instruction. Change the background to a dark matte black with a subtle grain texture. Submit. Claude finds the relevant part of the code, updates it, and regenerates. No timeline scrubbing, no layer adjustments, no software skills needed. You describe the change, it happens. Now let's take this to the next level. We're going to add a real voiceover to the motion graphic, synchronized with the animation. To do this, we need to connect Claude Code to ElevenLabs, one of the best AI voice platforms available. Start by going to the ElevenLabs website and logging into your account. Navigate to the developer section, then find API keys. Generate a new key and copy it. Back inside Claude Code, enter this prompt. Save this ElevenLabs API key to create voiceovers. Claude will store that connection and confirm it's active. From this point forward, whenever you ask for a voiceover, it will route through ElevenLabs automatically. Now we're ready to create the second version of this video, motion graphics with a narrated voiceover. I will use this prompt, which provides a complete script. Each step in the timeline has its own paragraph of narration. The design is more editorial this time. Dark matte background, clean modern serif typography, soft glow markers, and slow fade-in icons that sync with the natural flow of the spoken audio. I'll paste the prompt and submit. Claude gets to work. It generates the voiceover using ElevenLabs, builds the matching remotion animation, and syncs the audio to the visual timeline, so each step appears as the narrator reaches it. Let's look at the result.
Making money online doesn't start with money. It starts with attention. At the beginning, you create content, videos, posts, or ideas that people want to watch. No audience, no business. Everything begins here. As people discover your content, something begins to change. They come back, they watch more, and over time, they start to trust you. You're no longer just another creator, you become someone they listen to. And that's where the opportunity begins. You introduce something, a product, a service, or a tool. Not randomly, but in a way that connects with what your audience already cares about.
The visuals and the narration are locked together. It feels like a produced video segment. And the entire thing was built from one prompt and one API key. Here's where it gets really interesting. Let's say you're running a business-focused YouTube channel, and you need a professional intro video. Something that grabs attention, sets the tone, and makes the channel look credible from the first frame. For this case, I'm going to give Claude a full script and ask it to build the entire thing. Here's the prompt I'm using. Create a detailed motion graphics for this script with relevant graphics and images. Script. What if your next business idea could change your life in just 90 days? Most people wait, overthink, and stay stuck, but a few take action and win big. In this video, I'll show you a simple, real strategy you can start today, even with zero experience. No fluff, no hype, just clear steps that work. If you're serious about making money and building freedom, this might be the turning point you've been waiting for. That's the entire input, a script and an instruction. Claude reads the script, maps out which visuals should accompany which lines, selects an appropriate motion style, generates the graphics and supporting images, and assembles the full sequence. It finishes the work in just a couple of minutes. As you can see, it says the new video has been added to the studio as a separate file. Let's go to the studio. Here it is, the hook video. Let's watch it together.
What if your next business idea could change your life in just 90 days? Most people wait, overthink, and stay stuck, but a few take action and win big. In this video, I'll show you a simple, real strategy you can start today, even with zero experience. No fluff, no hype, just clear steps that work. If you're serious about making money and building freedom, this might be the turning point you've been waiting for.
Getting this result from a single prompt, starting from scratch, is impressive. It's almost ready to publish right away. It just needs a few small tweaks, like adjusting colors and sizing, which you can handle with 1 or 2 messages in Claude. You can even add your logo directly through the chat. Once you're happy with what you've built, exporting is simple. In the Remotion preview window in your browser, look for the render button. Click it. Remotion will process the full video and export it as an MP4 file, saved directly to the folder you set up at the start. You can copy it from there and use it wherever you like. If anything in this process isn't clear, drop your questions in the comments. I read them all and reply personally. And if you want me to go deeper with this series and build more Claude workflows for content creation, just comment "Continue." That one word tells me what to create next.